of the younger people now going, oh, is that who it is? Oh, I love that song. Miss me gang. Cause you gotta have faith. Oh, you gotta have faith. There's plenty of it with you, old George. Birds fly in the eye of the wind, sort of broken, and the little red wasted. Sacrifice for you on a night time. Sings us on the way, singing. Finding our way around the decision. Woo! We are. Take us forever, a whisper to a stream. A whisper to a stream. Whisper to a stream. Whisper to a stream. Whisper to a stream. We all are the children, finding our way around in decision. We all take us forever, a whisper to a scream. Whisper to a scream. A whisper to a scream. Hey folks, thank you once again for coming out to see me tonight, really appreciate it. Thank you for supporting live music, not staying in and watching all of that cack that's on terrestrial TV on a Saturday night. What's on now? Look, get nervous. The Voice, Ant and Dex Takeaway.
Love it.
The X Factor, I've got it all recorded. Does anybody still say, oh, I taped it? I've taped it. Thank you once again, boys and girls. I know it's a big commitment coming out. It's not cheap, even to see me. You don't have to pay any booking fees when you come and see me, though, do you? Thank you very much. I'll be signing stuff. You see, you've got to go past me to get out, so you scream. Oh, I've got them all. Okay, what's track 3 on... Thank you, I'll leave you with this.